Hi everybody, so today's video is going to be about two powerful techniques to improve English. And these techniques claim that if you practice it for 20 minutes a day over the next 30 days, you can see your English improves dramatically. And these techniques are journaling and shadowing. I am 100% sure that many of you have heard of journaling technique, but I am not here talking about the regular journaling technique. There is a twist in our technique. Many of you must be aware about what journaling technique is. It's a habit of writing your daily routine, it's a habit of writing your thoughts, feelings, emotions, and whatever happens to you, whatever the phase you are in, you like to write about it, and you feel calm and composed after writing out your thoughts in a diary. But yes, here is a twist. I am asking you to write your daily routine, whatever you like to write, but you write it directly to ChatGPT. Instead of writing it in a diary, you write it directly to ChatGPT. Consider ChatGPT as your English teacher. Now you do not have to go to somebody and get your article checked or your journal checked. You just need to write it to ChatGPT and you can give a prompt that please rate my journal. If you think that you have not used so much good vocabulary, so you can directly ask that improve my journal or give me suggestions to improve my vocabulary, give me suggestions of few good words. You can also ask for the better structure of sentences. So this way your writing skills will get better. You will have a clear thought structure, your language will be little polished, and once your journals are being rated, so obviously this will motivate you to keep going to write another journal. So I think in this era of ChatGPT, if you're not doing it, you are lagging behind. I believe that almost 80-90% people are already doing it and improving their English. Now let's dive into the another technique, which is shadowing technique. Guys, if you are hearing the word shadowing for the first time, so do not worry. It is a very easy, simple, fun and effective technique. Let's suppose you are watching a Netflix series and the show is in English, and you are noticing the grammar, the sentence structure, and listening to the new words, but you are just listening, you are not repeating whatever the native speaker says. So you have to pause the video, repeat the sentence exactly as the native speaker says. You have to do this activity mindfully. You do not have to just repeat the sentence without understanding it, but you have to copy the expressions, you have to copy the idea behind whatever they say, you have to copy the intonation, you have to copy the pronunciation, you have to speak it loud, you have to repeat it, you have to speak it loud. So this is what shadowing means, mimicking the speaker completely. This technique is so effective and people have been doing it all around the globe to improve their English, because this technique involves the use of all the senses. You're hearing, you're observing, you are speaking, which helps the language to move from the short-term memory to a long-term memory. And trust me guys, if you give this a try even once, you will feel a difference. And if you do it continuously for next 30 days, you will see a huge transformation in your English. I hope you start this challenge today and do let me know the changes you see in your English. And I truly believe that after practicing these two techniques for over next 30 days, your English sentences gonna be more polished, your vocabulary will be so good, you will have more confidence and your vocabulary will improve, your overall sentence structure will be polished, your overall personality will grow. Because journaling technique in itself is a very effective technique if you want to feel little calmer, composed, more your thoughts are coming out of your mind, so you feel little relaxed, you feel little calmer. and I think your life, your quality of life enhances.